Are you looking for ways to earn extra income? One of the best ways to start a profitable business is by investing in machines that can help you create products or services that people need. And the best part is, you don't have to break the bank to get started. One affordable option is a laptop computer. With a budget of less than 20,000 pesos, you can get a basic laptop that can be used for various online jobs such as data entry, content writing, and virtual assistants. Another option is a sewing machine. If you have sewing skills, you can invest in a sewing machine that costs less than 20,000 pesos. You can use it to create customized clothes, bags, and accessories that you can sell online or at local markets. But what if you're more interested in selling cold refreshments like smoothies or shakes? A heavy-duty blender can be a great investment. For less than 20,000 pesos, you can purchase a blender that has a high wattage and strong blades to make sure it can handle blending ice and frozen fruit. This type of blender can also be used to create soups and sauces, making it a versatile addition to your business. And if baking is more your style, you'll need an oven. You can purchase a small electric oven for less than 20,000 pesos that will allow you to bake cookies, cakes, bread, and other treats. Look for an oven with multiple shelves and a timer to maximize your baking efficiency. An all-in-one printer is a versatile machine that can be used for printing, photocopying, and scanning documents. You can purchase a budget all-in-one printer for less than 20,000 pesos and offer printing and photocopying services for your community. An embroidery machine is another machine that can be used to create unique designs on clothes and other fabric items. You can purchase a budget embroidery machine for less than 20,000 pesos and start an embroidery business. Finally, a handheld vacuum sealer can be used to preserve food items and keep them fresh for a longer period. You can purchase a budget handheld vacuum sealer for less than 20,000 pesos and start a food preservation business. Whatever type of business you decide to start, remember that while these machines can be affordable, you will need to invest time and effort into learning how to use them and building a business around them. But with the right equipment and a solid business plan, you can turn your investment into a profitable venture.
Thanks for watching, you amazing humans. If you liked this video and want to see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And for those of you who have already subscribed, you guys are rock stars. Again, thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in our next video.